step up, grab your luggage, and go. Take caution when opening the bins. Items do shift during flight and could fall out. If you have a connecting flight, please deplane and check the TV monitors in the gate area for appropriate flight and gate number. It's termination of this flight. Look around, make sure you have all your belongings. Once you exit the aircraft, you're not allowed back on. It's also provisioning city, which means all the doors will be open and restocked here. Please find small children, then exit the proper door up front. Center Bridge are serving here this afternoon. Now your choices on fairly fine, but do thank you for choosing here at Southwest. Go have a great rest of your week and come back and see us.